Guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin ParkTech YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will explain a bit about the interfacing of temperature sensor, that is TMP36, with that of the Arduino Uno. Or simply we can say that we are going to build a temperature monitoring circuit with that of Arduino and temperature TMP36 sensor. So for it, first we need to take this TMP sensor, which is just lies on the right side. As you can see, it is TMP36. After it, we need to take Arduino. So we have taken both of our main components. Now there are three pins of this TMP temperature sensor. The first one is the ground. So always ground of any sensor must be connected with the ground of Arduino. There are around three grounds on the Arduino Uno board, so you can connect the ground pin of the sensor with any of the ground. Like you can see here, there are two grounds here and one ground on other side. Now the pin on the left side is the power pin. So it must be connected with the 5-volt pin of the Arduino. So it is connected to the VCCR 5-volt pin of the Arduino. Okay, the last one is the voltage out. So it needs to be connected with the pin number A0. A0 pin is actually the ADC pin, that is the analog to digital converter pin, which used to take data and then it will take analog data and then the Arduino used to process it. So we have written all of we have make all of our connections. Then we need to write code of Arduino, and here delete this code. We have written a very simple code, so we need to copy it. Copy and paste it here. I am explaining a bit about the code that okay. Now we have declared our analog A0 pin as the sensor pin. Then in next line we also have declared a data type, that is sen input. Actually these two are the variables, sense pin and sen input. Then there is the third variable, that is temp1. The first variable is corresponding to this analog 0 pin of the Arduino. Then we will come towards the wired setup. Then in wired setup we have used the serial.begin command, that is 9600. So it means that it is our baud rate or symbols per second rate. Then we will come towards the while loop command, and here sen input is equal to analog read of A0. Analog read is a built-in function of Arduino through which Arduino used to read or monitor the analog signal on analog 0 pin, which is this one in our case, and then all the data will be stored inside this sen input variable. Then we used to quantize it, like we will divide it by 1024, then we will multiply temp1 with that of 5, and then we will go to subtract the offset. Why we are going to multiply it with 5? Because we know that our our signal maximum range, that is the signal which is on out, it can be of 5 volt. So maximum is 5 volt, and this one is our offset. Now this multiplication with 100, with this multiplication we are just going to convert it to the degrees. Then all the processing we have done here is stored inside this temp1. Then serial.println temp1, which will show us some sort of temperature on the serial monitor. So first we are going to run it, and we will see on serial monitor that either it is performing well or not. So okay, with this code and serial monitor, here we can see that we are getting the right temperature. So when we are going to like okay, when we used to move the temperature, okay, it actually starts from minus 40 degrees Celsius to maybe like up to 75 or 80 or 100 maybe even. So you can change the temperature and get your values here. So hopefully now you can make this circuit at your own inside your tinkercad. So thanks for watching.